If Audacity is giving you an error saving your project, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step. This issue usually happens because of a permission problem, a syncing conflict, or corrupted temporary files. And the good news is that you can usually solve it in just a few minutes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to save your project safely, avoid losing your work, and create a backup if needed. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Alright, let's get started. The first fix is the easiest one, and it often works right away. Instead of saving the project in its current location, try saving it to your desktop. To do that, open Audacity, click File, then choose Save Project As. When the save window opens, select Desktop as the location. Give the project a new name so it saves as a fresh file, and then click Save. This helps because saving to the desktop avoids folder permission issues that can happen in protected directories or synced locations. If that does not solve the problem, the next thing to try is running Audacity as an administrator. First, close Audacity completely, then find the Audacity icon on your computer, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app elevated permissions and can fix saving errors caused by restricted access. Once Audacity opens again, try saving your project one more time and see if the error is gone. Another common reason for this problem is low storage space on your computer. Audacity needs enough free space to save project data and temporary files, so it is important to check your disk space. Open File Explorer, click this PC, and look at the available storage on your main drive. If your drive is nearly full, try deleting unnecessary files, emptying the recycle bin, or moving large files to another drive. After freeing up space, return to Audacity and try saving again. If you use OneDrive, Dropbox, or another syncing service, that can sometimes interfere with Audacity project saving. In many cases, the sync tool locks files or creates a conflict while Audacity is trying to write the project. To test this, open your OneDrive settings and temporarily pause syncing. Once syncing is paused, go back to Audacity and try saving the project again. If it works, then the sync service was likely causing the issue. You can continue with syncing paused while you finish your project, then turn it back on later. If you still cannot save the project, a smart backup option is to export a WAV file. This will not replace your project file, but it will give you a safe audio copy of your work. In Audacity, click File, then choose Export. Select WAV format, choose a save location, and save the backup copy. This is a great safety step because even if the project file has problems, you will still have your audio preserved. To recap, if Audacity shows an error saving your project, try saving to the desktop, run Audacity as administrator, check your free disk space, temporarily disable OneDrive syncing, and export a WAV backup if needed. One of these fixes usually resolves the issue. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Audacity fixes and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.